Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a piece of gear that every serious Honda outboard owner should consider having in their toolkit. I'm talking about the Honda Marine Diagnostic Tool. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head over a stubborn engine issue, this might just be your new best friend. So, what exactly is this tool and why is it so powerful? Imagine having the same diagnostic capabilities as a professional marine mechanic, right in your own hands. This device is specifically designed for Honda outboards, and it taps directly into your engine's computer, or ECU. It's like giving your engine a voice to tell you exactly what's wrong. Let's talk about what it can actually do. First and foremost, it reads all the electronic fuel injection, or EFI codes. You know, that dreaded check engine light or alarm that suddenly starts beeping? Instead of guessing what the problem is, this tool gives you a specific fault code. It could be a sensor issue, a fuel delivery problem, or something else entirely. Knowing the exact code is the first and most critical step in any repair, saving you time and money by preventing you from just throwing parts at the problem. But it goes way beyond just reading codes. This diagnostic tool provides a live, real-time look into the heart of your engine's performance. One of the coolest features is its ability to monitor injector pulses. You can see if each injector is firing correctly and consistently. If one cylinder is misfiring, you can quickly determine if it's due to a faulty injector. This is incredibly useful for diagnosing rough idling, poor acceleration, or a loss of power. Another critical piece of data it gives you is from the knock sensor. The knock sensor is your engine's ear, listening for premature detonation or knocking, which can cause serious damage if left unchecked. With this tool, you can see if the knock sensor is detecting any abnormalities, helping you catch potential engine-destroying problems before they become catastrophic. It's a proactive way to protect your investment. Ignition timing is another key parameter you can monitor. If your timing is off, it can lead to all sorts of issues, from hard starting to poor performance at wide open throttle. This tool lets you see the exact ignition timing, so you can confirm if it's within the manufacturer's specifications or if adjustments are needed. Let's walk through a couple of common scenarios where this tool is a lifesaver. Picture this. You turn the key, the engine cranks but just won't start. It's a frustrating situation we've all faced. Is it fuel? Is it spark? Instead of pulling your hair out, you can plug in the diagnostic tool. It might immediately show you a code for a failed crankshaft position sensor. For example, boom, you've identified the problem in minutes, not hours or days. Or what about that high-temperature alarm that suddenly goes off when you're miles from the dock? It's a stressful moment. The alarm tells you something is wrong. But what? It could be a faulty thermostat, a weak water pump impeller, or a clogged passage. The diagnostic tool can give you a precise engine temperature reading and might even have a specific fault code related to the cooling system, helping you narrow down the cause and make an informed decision about whether you can safely limp back to shore. The bottom line is this. The Honda Marine Diagnostic Tool transforms you from a reactive boat owner into a proactive one. It demystifies the complex electronics of modern Honda outboards and empowers you to understand your engine on a much deeper level. It's an essential device for DIY maintenance, pre-purchase inspections on a used boat, or even just for having peace of mind on the water. If you own a Honda outboard and you're serious about maintenance and troubleshooting, this tool is an absolute game changer. It pays for itself the very first time it helps you avoid a costly, unnecessary trip to the mechanic. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope you found this look at the Honda Marine Diagnostic Tool helpful. If you have any questions or have used a tool like this yourself, drop a comment down below and share your experience. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, and subscribe for more content to help you get the most out of your time on the water. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.